Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a public server in JJS. First, you'll need to open your JJS application and navigate to the Server Creation menu. Select the option to host a new game, then choose the public setting. This ensures your server is discoverable by other players. Remember to give your server a unique name so friends can easily find it. We'll cover more advanced settings shortly. Next, let's dive into configuring your server's specific settings. Within the JJS server panel, you can set the maximum number of players, choose your preferred game mode, and even select specific maps. It's important to balance these settings with your internet connection's capabilities to prevent lag. Consider a player limit of 8 to 16 for optimal performance on most home networks. Save your changes before proceeding. Now, for the crucial network setup. You'll need to configure port forwarding on your home router. This tells your router to send incoming JJS game traffic to your computer. Typically, JJS uses a specific port number, often 27015, but check your game's documentation. Also, ensure your computer's firewall allows JJS through. Without these steps, players won't be able to connect to your server from outside your local network. Finally, it's time to share your JJS server with the world. Give your friends your public IP address and the port number you forwarded. They can use this information to connect directly. Remember to keep your server software updated for the best experience and security. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle to help you stay hydrated during long gaming sessions, check out the description below. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.